The purpose of this presentation is to inform potential students of the concepts and topics taught in the interpersonal communication course. According to communicationtheory.com, interpersonal communication is communication that enables people to express their thoughts, ideas, and feelings to others in face-to-face. Interpersonal communication is a skill that we use frequently in our everyday lives, so frequently in fact that we take it for granted. During the semester, Professor Rickard has taught me many skills that have helped improve my interpersonal communication. During this presentation, I'll be sharing with you 3 interpersonal communication concepts that I've learned over this course: listening behavior, self-concept, and perception. The first is listening behavior. According to Clause 16 on Quizlet.com, there are 4 different types of listening behavior. Relational creates a connection with someone else. You're trying to create a relationship. Second is analytical, which is when you try to understand a message that is hidden in another person's words. Third is task-oriented, which is when you hear directions given to you from another person and try to fulfill the task accordingly. And the fourth is critical, which is when you focus on a message accuracy and try to see if it's true or not. Second is self-concept. As said on dictionary.com, self-concept is defined as the idea or mental image one has of oneself, weaknesses, strengths, status, etc. During one of our assignments, we were given a list of descriptors and tasked with choosing 15 descriptive words that we felt best described ourselves. Then we gave the same list to 2 other people. I chose my parents and have them choose 15 words that they best described us. After that, we would compare all 3 lists and see how the choices that we all made varied or were the same. Relative, dreamer, happy, friendly, generous, and hardworking were descriptors that were the same on my list and my parents' lists. Each person's descriptors can reveal their self-concept. In relation to that, self-esteem, positive or negative, results from how you feel about your descriptors. Positive self-esteem results in successful communication. You feel confident about yourself and you feel you communicate with people properly. Negative self-esteem results in unsuccessful communication. You are not confident in your own skin and you feel you cannot communicate with people properly. Third is perception. The ability to make valid perceptions enhances our ability to communicate with others. It affects our academic performance and our interpersonal relationships. As said in my perception demonstration of knowledge, DOK assignment, there are 4 parts to the perception process. First is selection, when we choose what data we want to focus on. Second is organization, how we arrange the data gathered from our observations. Third is interpretation, when we attach meaning to the data collected. Fourth is negotiation, how one's thoughts and views influences how someone else views a person or event. An example would be the news. How they present the information can affect how we view the same event or person. In conclusion, we have gone over 3 different interpersonal communication concepts: listening behavior, self-concept, and perception. Each of these concepts have improved different areas of my communication, from learning how I listen, how my listening skills vary, to learning the interpersonal perception process. These are just a few of the many amazing skills that I have learned over this course, and I highly recommend giving this course a try. And this is my works cited. And